today is the day I'm going to do the first real start and set the fuel pressure and set the timing. And then once I have all that done, I'm going to start on pulling this piece of crap transmission out and putting my brand new 650 horsepower AOD in here. But for right now, got to get the fuel pressure and the timing set. So I've got my harmonic balancer marked at 8 degrees. So that's how I'm going to set it. I'm going to get my mark at 0, and then that'll be 8 degrees. So in my fuel pressure, I've got my regulator unplugged, the vacuum line plugged off. I should just be able to screw my regulator in, get 55 psi out of that. Easy money. Alright, here we go. Start her up and see how she sounds. This came out of my exhaust. Looks like paper. What the hell's going on with that? Looks like it had a shop rag. Awesome. Yeah, it definitely had a shop rag, but I think it ain't all of it now. So, we're good to go. Oh, I have a slight oil leak over here on this turbo. And I think I have a slight oil leak over here on this turbo too, on the drains. So that's just oil burning off right there. But I got the fuel pressure set. I got the timing set. So all I got to do is fix these little oil leaks right here. Put the new transmission in. And get to go for a test drive. Alright, I can see oil draining down from the turbo right there. I can't tell if it's just coming from the hose or the fitting, or I think it's the fitting. I'm not really sure. It's coming down and dripping right off there, and it's doing the same on the other side. It's not as bad. Can't really tell if it's just the hose or the fitting. It doesn't look like it's coming out of the adapter. So, and those are really fun to get to. But later on tonight, I'm getting this old leaky piece of crap out because it doesn't go nowhere anymore. It only goes in reverse. And I'm putting this brand new Trans Depot. It's under that tarp right there. Putting that guy in. Hopefully it'll only take me a couple days. And then we'll get to go for a test drive.